think of ways to live lighter on the planet, and then suddenly you are living more lightly on the planet.
Protecting the Nature of Maine, premiering Saturday, February 6th at 11 a.m.
The earth is our mother. The rivers are her veins.
We've reached a time in history when the perspective needs to be visionary.
Maine's principal characteristic is a sensational and wonderful and deeply moving natural environment. It's our economic ace in the hole.
Oh my goodness, I think the natural environment is absolutely 100% key to our business.
It's always a balance between economic development and preserving that quality of place. We still have a lot of work to do.